I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Jess Albios, the City Councilor, Naga City.
Next entry, entry number 54, Naga City Science High School, Balatas, Naga City. Troop Commander, John Ray Padayaw. Troop S1, Alan Ilano. Troop S2, Ivan Joseph Papa. Troop S3, Arabella San Juan Vargas. Troop S4, Lawrence Ray Villadares. Major Leader, Zoe Kristen Young. DXMC Leader, Jaril Kaj Santiago. CTP Company Commander, Jos Frederick Pandes. CTP Company EXO, Jenica Lay Ramos. Seth Alec Angeles Gidon Bearer. First Platoon Leader Boys, Jim Huerno. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Eliza Carlene Robles. School Head, Principal, Baby Ruby Laurente. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Levi San Jose. Majors Coordinator, Jennifer Micalier. Maureen Cabredo, Assistant. Sebastian Capi Jr., Assistant Facilitator. Derek Sebastian Posugak, Franz Lea Canyaso. Entry number 54, Naga City Science High School, Balatas, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 54, Naga City Science High School, Balatas, Naga City. That's our last.